Signing on is an important daily routine which notifies other users of your presence, tests your device's functioning correctly, and ensures you are comfortable using the radio when you need it most.
Best man to CCTV, signing on.
You're coming through loud and clear. Have a good day.
Before you turn your radio off for the day, it's polite to sign off.
Best man to CCTV, signing off.
You can then turn your radio off before charging so it's ready for the next day. A radio check can be used at any point during the day to test the operation of your radio. If the radio's not been used for a while, or you think there may be a problem with your radio, request a radio check.
Best man to CCTV. Can I have a radio check, please?
If there are any problems with the radio, contact our help desk for next day replacements and other queries. During an emergency, if you are unable to make a voice call, you may wish to use the panic button to trigger an alarm. Never use the panic alarm unless there is a real emergency. To activate, locate the panic button on your radio. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds until you hear a single beep. You will not hear the alarm on your radio. This will be received only in CCTV, who will then handle the alarm. Please be aware that not all radios are equipped with this feature or operate in exactly this way, so please refer to your specific radio instructions or contact us if you are unsure.